Ready, start. This appeal is at the instance of the applicant in criminal application number 257 of 1998 in criminal procedure number 20 of 1994 on the file of this court in bracket company court. The applicant, the managing director of Bell House Associates Limited, who was an accused in CC number 456 of 1996 pending before the Additional Chief Judicial Magistrates Court, Ernakulam, filed CA number 257 of 1998 before the Company Court to stay the above proceedings invoking Section 446 of the Companies Act 1956. The company court dismissed the above application and the above order is under challenge in this appeal. Para. The second respondent hearing in bracket complainant filed CC number 456 of 1996 before the Additional Chief Judicial Magistrates Court Ernakulam against the applicant and Bellhouse Associates Private Limited, a company under liquidation for the commission of an offence under section 138 of the Negotiable Instruments Act. It was alleged that a check of for rupees 1,12,000 issued by the accused on January 1996 towards discharge of a liability to the complainant for the electrical works done by them was dishonored when presented for encashment due to the insufficiency of funds in the accounts in the name of accused and they had not cared to pay the amount in spite of demand through a registered notice. Accordingly, the complainant filed the complaint after complying with all the legal formalities. Para. The first accused in the complaint, Wellhouse Associates Private Limited, is a company under liquidation as per the order passed by the Company Court in CP number 20 of 1994, and the official liquidator had been appointed as liquidator of the company. According to the appellant, he issued the check as the managing director of the company, and as there was no allegation made personally against him, the liability under CC number 456 of 1996 was entirely upon the company, and as such, the entire proceedings of the case are to be stayed under Section 446 of the Companies Act. The official liquidator filed an objection contending that the proceedings cannot be stayed under Section 446 of the Companies Act and similar application MCA numbers 106 and 109 of 1990 and 155 of 1994 in CP number 54 and 57 of 1989 were dismissed by this court by its order dated June 12, 1997. The company court, after hearing the appellant and the official liquidator, held that Section 446 of the Companies Act cannot be attracted in criminal proceedings where the assets of the company are not involved and the proceedings pending against the accused were only in respect of the commission of the offences and punishment thereon. Accordingly, the petition was dismissed and the above order is now under challenge. Heard learned counsel for the appellant and the learned official liquidator. A check issued by the company and signed by the appellant as the managing director of the company was dishonored for want of sufficient funds in the accounts of the company. Learned counsel for the appellant argued that the company was under liquidation and no personal allegations were made in the complaint against the appellant, and the liability in the proceedings pending before the Chief Judicial Magistrates Court was only against the company under liquidation, and hence the proceedings was liable to be stayed under Section 446 of the Companies Act.